What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every day. Today's video is brought to you by our sponsor, Xzato, the marketplace and community app built for car, bike, and truck people. Post photos and videos, buy, sell, bid, and link up at real car meets near you. Download Xzato or hit xato.com in the link in our description.
No, you're not. Come here. Come here. Sit down. Relax, buddy. No big deal.
I'm gonna stop riding. I crashed.
Right, stop. It's okay. Stop. 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 No, you're not. Come here. Come here. Sit down. Relax, buddy. You guys made a bad choice today. Ran from the cops. Sit down. Sit down against the ground. It's okay. We'll work it out. Okay. Get up.
All right. Sorry, it's because I fell.
Yeah. Can you start Sergeant Cloud this way? Sit down.
Yeah.
Why are you guys running from the cops?
I don't know.
We're being dumb.
That's not smart.
And it's scary,
No,
yeah.
It's not smart at all.
Were you recording the whole thing when you were running from the cops?
No, I wasn't.
What?
I know.
Huh?
Huh?
Were you recording?
No, I said no. Oh, you can check it. I
Are you
wasn't.
recording me right now?
Is it?
No.
It's flash and red, bro.
Oh, my bad, bro.
Record me.
Nah,
How
it's
do I
because
see- How do I see what you guys did?
I was like, I just fell right now. That's just, yeah.
Dude, man, you guys are crazy. Who lives here? Whose house is this?
Me.
It's you. Your parents' home?
Yeah.
Are they?
Yeah.
Is you guys out of school because red for red?
Yeah.
Alright, man. You guys understand that was a bad choice, right?
Yeah, we're being really, really dumb.
I'm gonna
When
say
did you crash?
Huh?
When did you crash, bro?
Like just right now.
Whose motorcycle is this?
It's mine.
And that one's yours? Alright. Who's home, mom or dad?
Mom.
Your mom is? Well, thanks for being cool with me and not trying. You're gonna try to get anything to take off from me too, weren't you? Hey, how do I see? How do I see what you recorded? How do we do it?
It work. It's just.
Were you recording it when you were running from the cops? Were you recording it?
No.
Maintenance videos. Just wanted to test on my mic. If you guys have any questions or anything, put them in the comments below. I'm using a GoPro Hero 4 Session, which doesn't allow me to use an actual mic attached to the camera, but what I got works good enough for now, at least. Let's see. We hit 50 subscribers. I'm happy about that. So thanks for that. Appreciate all the support. Once we hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway, gift card, $20 giveaway. So hopefully that'll reach soon. If I don't get a green light, I'm going on red anyway. I don't give a fuck. Watch. It don't even see me. It don't even fucking see me. This is one thing that is aggravating. There you go. It saw me. I'm going. Fucking cop probably saw me too. Oh, the cop did see me. You let me go though. The cop let me go. That's cool. He saw me run the red light. I looked back at him anyway. He probably realizes that there's a fucking weight limit to those fucking things. So yeah, this is just going to be a short video. I want to see what it sounds like while I'm riding with the wind. I might need a dead cat to silence the wind noise, but for the most part it should sound decent. Warm up the tires a little bit. I'm not going to do anything. If you can't tell, I'm riding a Yamaha R3. And there's a nice little drive, nice little ride. Just to get out of the house a little bit. Now, right now, I am squidding, so don't worry. I'm not always riding with shorts and a short sleeve shirt on. I do wear leather and jeans at least. Nice turn signal. And we're going 20 miles an hour. Let's see. There's a lot of stuff to do around here. I could also go kayaking in this Delaware River. I have a kayak, so I might do some kayak videos. That way you guys can see, you know, fucking boats speeding past me while I paddle. Shit, I don't like that fucking thing. This guy just pulls over for no fucking reason. I would like to go to that island over there. There's an island that it's abandoned, and there used to be a park there, and that'd be a nice to go see what that's like. There's a lot of bikers around my city. There are a lot of old school bikers, though. Yeah, I'm wearing shorts, I know.
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop, and if you want to rep the moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.